IBM Cloud Reservations for VPC provides a significant discount for virtual servers compared to on-demand pricing when you commit to a 1 or 3 year term. To get started, select the catalog in the IBM Cloud console. Search for Reservations, and select IBM Cloud Reservations for VPC. Any IBM Cloud pay-as-you-go or subscription account can create a reservation using the IBM Cloud Catalog, command line interface, or API. When you're ready, input the details for your new reservation, choose a term, and review your order in the cost summary. You can enable the auto-renew feature now or later before your reservation expires. Also, you can create an estimate that allows you to quote many reservation configurations at once, giving you the ability to save, download, and share your estimate to make the best choice for your organization. Once you have reviewed your selections, click the Create button to confirm the reservation. Within seconds, virtual server capacity is allocated to your reservation and billing begins. With an active reservation, you can attach existing virtual servers that match the reservation profile or create a new virtual server from the reservation overview page. When you create a new virtual server from the reservation page, the location and server profile are preset to match your reservation. Once created, the server attaches to the reservation automatically. A healthy reservation will have an active status. If a capacity reservation is temporarily unavailable, the reservation status will change to degraded. You are not billed for the degraded capacity portion of the reservation. The service automatically replenishes lost capacity when it becomes available, and billing restarts for the affected servers. In some cases, you may choose to provide the cost savings and guaranteed capacity benefits to another server in your cloud account. Select a reservation on the reservation overview page, find the virtual server you want to detach in the reservations details page, select the vertical action button, and select Detach. The detached virtual server resumes billing at on-demand rates and no longer receives the reservation discount. Start saving today with IBM Cloud Reservations in the Cloud Catalog. Learn more in the Cloud Docs.